my channel Mini Teaching. So today I am going to make a lungs project. So I will tell you the things you need. So we need one plastic bottle, one blade, one scissor and 3 balloons and one straw and one duct tape. So let's start making the lungs project. First we will cut the plastic bottle. It's very sharp blade, be careful. Okay, so we have leveled the circle shape. After that, I am going to make a hole in the cap. See? So we are making a hole so that the straw can fit inside. See? Okay. So after that, you can stick the straw and make a hole in here. This part. Now I cut a hole, and I have taken a small piece from the bottom of the straw. So I can make a Y shape. Then in the hole we can fix it inside. So after that, when air go to two sides, we should fix it like this. And after that, we should use hot glue and stick them together. Then I will show you. Okay? So I have used hot glue and stick the both sides together. See? Then you can make sure that from the two sides air should come like this. Okay? So after that, take 2 balloons, 2 red balloons. And cut it. Okay. After that, you can also cut it. So I have cut like this. Okay. Now we will fix the balloon to the straw. So I have fixed the balloons with duct tape, and I will show you how these lungs work. Okay, so after that, take the plastic bottle. I am going to put the lungs into the bottle and use the cap and close it. So I'm using some hot glue here because the straw will not go down. So I have applied hot glue in the straw and the cap. So after that I will cut the balloon and close the bottom. So after that, I'm going to close the bottom. So I'm very excited. My lungs is very beautiful. So I'm going to show you how lungs work when we breathe in and breathe out. This project is very fun. Try this project at home and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and I will see you in next video. So bye.